2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, where pure performance meets everyday thrill. Porsche has brought back a trio of legends for 2025, and fans of performance driving everywhere can finally breathe a sigh of relief. After a short break, the 911 GT3 and 911 GT3 Touring are officially back in the lineup, and they join the already outrageous GT3 RS to form what many would call the holy trinity of modern 911s. Whether you're chasing lap times or simply enjoy the thrill of a backroad blast, these cars represent the very best of Porsche's motorsport DNA brought to the street. All three models are built around what enthusiasts consider a dying breed, a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that revs all the way up to 9,000 RPM, delivering a raw, mechanical experience that few modern sports cars can match. In the GT3 and GT3 Touring, it produces 502 horsepower, while the GT3 RS squeezes out 518 horsepower thanks to some fine-tuning. It's not just about power, it's about the way it delivers it, with a soundtrack that turns every drive into an event. Under the skin, these cars feature a heavily refined version of the 911's chassis, enhanced by a race-inspired control-arm front suspension, a first for a road-going 911. This setup, adapted from Porsche's own RSR and GT3 Cup race cars, gives the car razor-sharp precision and cornering confidence that borders on telepathic. On the outside, it's easy to tell these cars apart. The standard GT3 comes with a fixed rear wing, while the GT3 RS turns it up to 11 with a massive, track-optimized rear wing that would look right at home on a Le Mans racer. But if you prefer a more subtle look without sacrificing any of the soul, the GT3 Touring is your answer. It drops the wing for a clean, classic rear profile and dresses up the interior in premium leather. What's new in 2025? For the 2025 model year, Porsche hasn't reinvented the GT3 formula, but it has sharpened it in all the right places. Updates include redesigned LED headlights, a new front diffuser and spoiler lip, and refined underbody air channels that improve airflow and boost downforce. Suspension geometry tweaks borrowed from the GT3 RS make their way into the GT3 lineup, and all models, regardless of transmission, now feature a shorter final drive ratio that makes them feel even quicker off the line. The GT3 now offers a WISAC package, which leans heavily into performance, adding CFRP, carbon fiber reinforced plastic, to key components like the roof, aero elements, and suspension parts. Inside, the cabin gets dressed up with leather and Racetex trim, giving it that perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The GT3 Touring, meanwhile, gets its own performance-focused option in the form of the lightweight package, Lightbau. This package includes forged magnesium wheels, a lightweight battery, and CFRP suspension components, all aimed at reducing weight and improving agility. One notable return for 2025. Rear seats are once again available as an option on the GT3 Touring, making it just that bit more practical for daily use. Pricing and which one to choose. Pricing for the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 and GT3 RS ranges from $224,495 to $243,295, depending on configuration and options. Porsche offers two versions of the GT3, the standard model with a rear wing, and the more refined Touring version that swaps out aggressive styling for a cleaner, more classic look. The Touring also features upscale touches like black leather upholstery and steering wheel trim, creating a more understated driving experience. Of course, if you're looking for the most extreme version of Porsche's track-ready 911, there's only one answer: the GT3 RS. With its aggressive aero, hardcore suspension, and near race car performance, it's as close as you can get to a full-blown race car with license plates. Powertrain, performance, and driving experience. At the heart of the GT3 lineup is one of the most beloved engines in modern performance cars. A naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six that screams to 9,000 RPM and delivers every ounce of its 502 horsepower with instant, linear response. It's available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, PDK. And whichever you choose, you'll now get a shorter final drive ratio for even sharper throttle response and acceleration. In the GT3 RS, the same engine is tuned to produce 518 horsepower, and it's paired exclusively with the lightning-quick PDK transmission. The RS also boasts a giant active rear wing with a Formula One-style drag reduction system, DRS, that adjusts on the fly for either more downforce or more speed. On the skid pad, the RS pulls an incredible 1.16 G, showcasing its unmatched grip. But it's not just about raw numbers. What really sets the GT3 models apart is the way they drive. The double wishbone front suspension, combined with adaptive dampers and ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 or Cup R tires, gives you confidence in every corner. Even though the ride is firm, Porsche has shortened the bump stops to allow for slightly more travel, making the car feel surprisingly composed, even on rough roads. The GT3 RS, on the other hand, is set up even stiffer, prioritizing track performance above all else. It might feel a bit too harsh for everyday driving, but if that's a concern, the more comfort-oriented 911 Turbo might be a better fit. Braking is handled by massive steel discs as standard, with optional carbon ceramic brakes offering fade-free performance and razor-sharp stopping power, perfect for those serious track days. 0 to 60 miles per hour and quarter-mile times. Performance testing confirms what the specs suggest. These are seriously fast machines. The GT3 with PDK rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, while the manual version clocks in at 3.3 seconds. The GT3 RS matches the PDK's time and continues to run the quarter mile in 10.9 seconds at 127 miles per hour. In more extreme testing, the GT3 RS went from 0 to 150 miles per hour and back to 0 in just 24.4 seconds. A stunning display of acceleration, stability, and braking power. Fuel economy. The 2025 EPA estimates haven't been released yet, but based on the previous model year, you can expect the GT3 and GT3 RS to deliver around 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway with the PDK automatic. Opting for the manual transmission brings city MPG down to 13, but bumps highway MPG to 19. These numbers aren't exactly Prius-like, but nobody's buying a GT3 for the fuel economy. Interior design, comfort, and utility. Step inside the 911 GT3, and you'll find a cabin that balances classic Porsche simplicity with motorsport-inspired functionality. The layout is clean and focused, with a prominent analog tachometer at the center, flanked by digital displays. A dedicated GT mode customizes the instrument cluster to highlight critical performance data right where you need it. In the GT3 RS, The steering wheel includes extra controls to fine-tune the adaptive damper's compression and rebound settings, giving the driver more control over the car's behavior on track. For PDK-equipped models, Porsche swaps the standard shifter for a more traditional-looking gear lever that resembles a manual. Seating options include lightweight racing seats with power adjustment, heating, and even removable headrest padding to accommodate helmets. If you want more adjustability and comfort, you can opt for the 18-way Adaptive Sports Seats Plus. And in a nod to everyday usability, the GT3 Touring now offers optional rear seats, which could make all the difference for buyers who want performance and a touch of practicality. Infotainment and connectivity. The infotainment system in the GT3 is borrowed from the standard 911, featuring a 10.9-inch touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. It's easy to use and responsive, and you also get physical controls for quick adjustments. Features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Audiophiles can opt for a premium Bose sound system to bring extra depth to their favorite driving playlist. Driver assistance and safety features. As a performance-first vehicle, the GT3 lineup doesn't focus much on driver assistance tech. However, it does include basic features like rear parking sensors and traffic sign recognition. If you're looking for adaptive cruise control or lane-keeping assist, this isn't the car for you. But if you're looking for pure, undiluted driving engagement, the GT3 delivers in spades. Warranty and maintenance. Porsche backs the 911 GT3 lineup with a strong warranty and maintenance package. Limited warranty, 4 years/50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 4 years/50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance, 1 year/10,000 miles. While many competitors offer similar coverage, few include scheduled service like Porsche does. Final thoughts. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3, GT3 Touring, and GT3 RS are a celebration of what makes driving fun: pure engine sound, sharp handling, and an unfiltered connection between car and driver. Whether you want the raw, aggressive track machine that is the GT3 RS, the balanced, versatile GT3, or the elegantly understated GT3 Touring with a little more comfort and practicality, this lineup offers something special for every enthusiast. No turbochargers. No electrification. Just an honest, thrilling 911 experience that's hard to beat.